Welcome back. This next video on electric uke playing is the first at the easy 4th level. And at present the 4th will be the last group, focusing on chord progressions. And then we'll move on to finger picking and then riffs and solos. In this video we'll look at Nicotina by Big Sugar. I do a lot of Canadian music, but I think it's underrated, and hopefully I'm turning you on to some new bands. In this song, the chords aren't hard, and in fact, there's our favorite chord, the A minor 7th, which has no frets. In the video, there is a tiny bit of a solo and a slide down the neck, and you can try playing that or not if you like. What does make the song challenging is that we really need a lower octave, and we don't have one. So I've tried to squeeze out as good an octave shift on the zoom as I can. Do take some time to play with the zoom settings, but otherwise, tune your uke and let's play. This is the little fill I do if you'd like to do it. And then a slide down from the 12th fret.